大家好，我是拉各斯大学孔子学院的769老师，你也可以叫我于老师。Hello everyone, I am 769老师 from Confucius Institute, University of Lagos. Today we are going to learn numbers in Chinese. Numbers 1 to 10, very simple and easy. Okay, let's go. Okay, so in numbers, let's start with 0. So how do you say 0 in Chinese is ring. Can you say after me? Ring. Ring. That is the second tone. Then E. E. First tone. E. Then R for 2. R. R, which is what? Last tone. Then 3 is what? San. San. San, which is first one. 4 is Si. Si. Si, which is last one, foreign. And then 5 is what? Wu. Wu. Wu, which is third tone. 6 is Liu. 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 Can you try it? Liu. Okay. Then 7. Qi. 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 Then 8. Ba. See the first tone. Ba. Ba. Then 9. Jiu. Jiu. Jiu, which is third tone. Then 10 is Shi. Shi. Shi, which is rising tone, that is second tone. Okay, very good. So let's go home again. Ling. Ling. Say after me. E. E. R. R. San. San. Si. Si. Wu. Wu. Liu. Liu. 7. Qi. Flat tone. Qi. 8. Ba. Still the first tone. Ba. 9. Jiu. Jiu. Then 10. Shi. Shi. Okay. So if you know this 1 to 10 in Chinese, there are many things you can know with it. Okay, today we are going to show us just how to ask someone for what is your phone number using these numbers. What is your phone number? Then, okay, so the remaining one is to know how to write this 1 to 10 in Chinese symbols or characters. Okay, let's go. Ling. Ling is what? First of all, write you, then add this. This is ling, character of ling. Yes, among 1 to 10, this is a kind of complicated, but it's okay. Don't need to be scared. It's okay. It's okay. Other ones are very simple. Okay. So 1 is what? E. E. Then 2. R. So you see 1 is hong, horizontal. 2 is hong, hong, horizontal, horizontal. Then 3 is san. San is what? Hong, hong, hong. That is horizontal, horizontal, horizontal. Then 4. Shu, hong, zhe. Okay, now. Okay, this is si. Then wu. Wu. Liu. Liu. Qi. Qi. Ba. Jiu. Jiu. Shi. Shi is most easiest. Close. Yes, hong, shu. That's for shi. Okay, let's go one more time. 0 which is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Can you try it? One more time, let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's go from the 10. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Okay, so now we already know how to get 1 to 10. So let's know how do you use it in a sentence. Very simple. Let's go. So remember we said E is the same thing with what? Yao. So E means for 1, Yao is also means 1. Most Chinese people, when they're calling phone numbers, they use Yao instead of E, but that all means the same. Okay, 你的电话号码是多少 or 你的电话 or 你的手机号码是多少 which means what? Your phone number is how many or your phone number is how many. So 电话 and 手机 what's the difference? 电话 is a telephone while 手机 is handphone. So 电 only 电 means what? Electricity. 话 is speech, that is electrical speech, that is telephone. While 手 is what? Hand. While G is machine. So hand machine which is handphone, that is phone. So they all means phone anyway. So 你的电话号码是多少 Your phone number is how many or 你的手机号码是多少 Do you understand? Very good. Okay, can you try it? 你的电话号码是多少 or 你的手机号码是多少 Very good. Then how do you answer it? You say 我的电话号码是08096488357. Okay, let's do it again. What's the meaning? My phone number is 08096488357. So let's do it one more time. Can you say after me? 我的电话号码是080 or remember I said they say 181 sorry this is 0 not 1 so 080 96 4 8 8 3 5 7. Can you do it now? So now you can always ask your Chinese friend what is their phone number, or you can also give them your own phone number. Very good. Then the next one, how do you say what is your room number? 你的房间号码是多少 Can you repeat after me? 你的房间号码是多少 Which means your room number is how many? Okay, how do you answer it? You say 我的房间号码是4768. One more time, repeat after me. 我的房间号码是4768.好。Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you like our video, give us thumbs up on the video. 再见。